Number motherfucking big toe. Huh? Big big toe. You know what the fuck it is, nigga. Certified to the bone. We gon' shine. Believe that, we global. We shine, we get it in. Big time, not fake at all. Give me mine, bitch. Give me mine, bitch. We hustle hard, a guard with it. Never stop, bitch. Cause I'm all in it. Status so official, on all 10. Bitch, I'm on all 10. A certified stepper. I never been a bitch, nigga, or rapper. Hustle man, gotta get it. Hustle man, gotta flip it. I never stop for these bitches. I get my digits, flip 'em up, get 'em up. If I got the Glock, hit 'em up. Man, I don't give a motherfuck. Me and my dogs coming through in the truck to dump. If I gotta get 'em, then I gotta split 'em. I'm certified, they say I'm from Kenner, but no, it's Metairie. BVG, Elm Street, they be scared of me. Ever since I did that dirt back in the past, I've been on some other shit, and I know I'm a last. Bitch, I'm a survivor. My fucking heart is big and I'm on fire. Gangsta boy, what the fuck you thought and thinking, boy? I'm about my money, can't let nothing get in front of it. No. We shine, we get it in. Big time, not fake at all. Give me mine, bitch. Give me mine, bitch. We hustle hard, a guard with it. Never stop, bitch. Cause I'm all in it. Status so official, on all 10. Bitch, I'm on all 10. I'm immaculate with this shit. I asked God for wisdom and he gave it to me. I know that I'm his glory, his seed, his fucking image. So I'm gon' give it to you raw and never do fake shit at all. I am my fucking brother's keeper, and from my brother I turn to the reaper and slice your ass up right fast. I'm by my paper right now. I gotta get it right now. Make the millions right now. We shine, we get it in. Big time, not fake at all. Give me mine, bitch. Give me mine, bitch. We hustle hard, a guard with it. Never stop, bitch. Cause I'm all in it. Status so official, on all 10. Bitch, I'm on all 10. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I gotta thank God for everything he did in my life. Look at this glamorous shit that I'm around right now. Look at all these beautiful, beautiful things that he added to my life. All these beautiful people he added to my life. I'm going up. They say you hang around millionaires, you become a millionaire. So I'm hanging around millionaires. Big bag toe. You know what the fuck it is, to the bone. I'm doing this for all my motherfucking people that died, all my people that can't make it. So we gon' make it. Just know, I ain't got no much to see fate, I got my own fate. God got me, and you can't motherfucking stop me. Number motherfucking big toe, huh? Big big toe.